Hello, in the previous session, we discussed how to create a new ClickSense sheet, add KPI, add bar chart, add pie chart, and also the vertical bar chart. Today, I would like to discuss how to create a data sheet and also add navigation button to navigate in between the two different sheets. Let's duplicate this sheet. Give this a new name. Change the icon. I'll remove all these chart. Add to button. Create a selection. Label as clear. Add another button. Set navigation to a sheet which is the sales summary. Change the appearance as sales summary. And then I'm going to add a table to this chart. For the number, customer, copy these two. Copy clear. Change the navigation to sales detail. Appearance is sales details. Now we can select a view, create a filter, go to sales detail, select, clear, navigate back to sales summary. Here basically we build a navigation between the two different sheets and add two buttons. I hope you find these tips useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.